So this look is gonna be the look that I've been wearing recently. This is a kind of like a really smoky, one color neutral look, and I think a lot of people can rock it, and I think a lot of people are maybe scared to rock this but are gonna be surprised at how pretty it makes your eyes look. So yeah, we're just gonna get started. I want to play around with this. I'm gonna butcher this name. I don't know how to pronounce it, but Sinopia? This is what it looks like. It is by Mellow Cosmetics. So here are the shades. They're really beautiful. You have a pop of color and a lot of, you know, browns and neutral shades. So those are the ones that I'm gonna be focusing on. Oh shoot, I did want to get a base though. Usually I don't use a base, but I feel like if I did, it would just look even better. So I am going to go find a brown eyeshadow base really quick. 1 second. Alrighty, so I found a Tarte bronze clay pot. So it's an Amazonian waterproof eyeliner. I don't know if I picked the right thing. Let's just hope for the best. Please don't screw me. Okay, I don't even know what I'm thinking. I haven't even primed my eyes yet, so I'm gonna be using the new NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. I know this isn't an eye primer, but I pretty much always prime my eyes with concealer nowadays, and I'm gonna be using this as my concealer as well, so don't you worry. I am gonna see. I've never used it, so we are going to see if it's any good, and hopefully it does not crease on me and works, you know, up here too. I'm just gonna blend that in. So definitely not as full coverage as Tarte Shape Tape. It's kind of making me nervous for my under eyes, but let's see how it sets down with a powder. I'm gonna be taking the Pop Beauty Setting 101, and it looks like this. I'm just gonna take the translucent. Oh my god, see, it's already creasing. Maybe my eyelids were super oily before because it's kind of like breaking up in the crease. So I'm gonna set it fast now. I'm actually gonna use the banana shade, and then hopefully that'll work. Okay, so now I'm going into the Tarte clay pot, and I'm going to put this all over my lid. Wait, what the fuck am I doing? I guess it's okay. I usually do my brows first. I really don't know what I'm doing in this tutorial today, guys. So now I'm going to take a different brush and blend that out. I think I'm getting there, but some spots are being a little annoying.
We're just gonna keep blending till our little fingers fall off.
I literally start doing my makeup and I intend to talk the whole time, and then I just start doing it, and then I get so in the zone and I just start staring at what I can't remember to talk, you guys. I'm so bad at these. Okay, now I'm gonna go into the Sinopia palette by Mellow, I almost said Mellow Mushroom. I'm going to be dipping into Sinopia, or Sinopia, I really hope I'm saying that right. So right over top of this base, I guess I'm going to just pack this all over. So far the shadow is really pigmented and I don't have a lot of fallout at all. So those are both good things. I'm just really hoping that it blends out nicely. Now I'm gonna grab a little bit of this nude shade right here, and I'm gonna blend the out. You don't wanna blend too high with smoky eyes like this because you don't wanna look like you got punched in the eye, and if it's too big and round, it can kind of look like that. So really hug it into the crease. I'm going back with the nude shade, and it's on a smaller fluffy brush this time because I want to get really in there and build the color without blowing it out too much. Now I'm taking a little bit of dust, which is right here, and I'm just taking that on the same fluffy brush that we put the blush color down with, or blended it out with at least, and now I'm just going to put that right in the crease. So I'm just going to repack that. Now I'm gonna take the shade Pecan, or Pecan, whatever you wanna say. Pecan, I don't think anybody says pecan. Put this right underneath my brow bone and blend down into that nudie. Oh, it's nudie, not nude. Oh, I'm sorry, you guys. Why is it sticking right there? Do you not like that? It was blending perfectly before, but now it's like not wanting to blend in this area. Not really appreciating that. You're making me look bad. For my brows, I'm gonna be using the Urban Decay Double Down Brow, and I'm also gonna be trying out the Brow Blade. It has a waterproof pencil on one side and then a ink stain, which is super, super fine. I'm gonna try to use them in conjunction. I'm going to dip into the powder, the darker one, and let's see how this powder works. Wow, so far I'm impressed. Goes on really nice. So now I'm gonna take the little ink side and I'm just going to, I guess, draw little hairs, little strokes, and create hair. I think that looks good. Now I'm gonna go, oh, this is hard. Alrighty, so I went ahead and popped my lashes on and did my liner off camera because those are like the hardest things to do while you're filming. So I just figured I'd save the time and go ahead and do it. So I'm going to move on to the face right now. I'm just going to be priming with, actually, should I zoom out? Let's zoom out a little bit. Like I said, ignore my roots. Go ahead and put some Pixie H2O Skin Drink, an oldie but a goodie. I love this stuff. Pick that dead skin off real quick. Ow. I'm so graceful, I'm so pretty, I'm so perfect. Where is my sponge? So I'm going to be using a sponge or a beauty blender. I don't know. What am I even doing? I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Soft Ivory Foundation. So I'm just going to apply and I'm going to blend it out with the Flower Beauty sponge. And yep, that's it. Now I'm going to go in with my concealer. Again, this is the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop. And this is in the shade Light Ivory. And I'm actually going to take this little beauty blender and blend that out. I'm also going to take that down my nose, right above my lip, on my chin, and around kind of like my eyebrows. But I'm going to blend that in with a concealer brush. Now again, I'm going to go in with the Pop Beauty Setting 101 powder palette, and it looks like that again. And I'm going to take, I think, the mixture of the translucent and a little bit of the banana, and I'm just going to set my concealer down. I can't really tell if I like the concealers yet. Like, I do, but I can't say if I like it better than Tarte Shape Tape, so anything that is not better than Tarte Shape Tape will not make me switch, obviously. So yeah, I'm just gonna have to see how it holds up, even though I'm not gonna be able to do a wear test because it's like 11 in the p.m. So I'm just gonna move on to bronzer, which I'm going to be using a new product. It's by Sleek. It's in the shade Dark. It's the Face Form, so it looks like this. And it has these 3 bronzer shades. 2 of them are shimmery and have sparkle, and then 1 of them is matte. So obviously I'm gonna be using the matte one to contour with. And I'm gonna be using this on a big hourglass brush. Now I'm going to put mascara on my upper lashes just to blend my natural ones in to the fake ones. This is Mega Protein by Wet n Wild. For blush, I'm going to use one of my old favorites. It's one of these Sigma little single blushes in Cheeky, and I'm going to flip that hourglass brush and use the smaller side and just put that on the apples of my cheeks. And I always like to bring it back towards my contour so the colors mesh nicely. I love blush. I don't know why, I'm just such a blush person. So now I'm going to flip over and blend that out. Now I'm going to grab my sponge and just kind of take whatever's left and clean up underneath to make sure it's, you know, nice and cut. Well, this is really hard. I just started filming my highlighter part and it wasn't recording. Oh well, I'm recreating it. Man, it looks so good. So good. It was so poppin'. I mean, it still is, but like, I really wanted you guys to see it go from not poppin' to poppin'. So we are going to move on now to the lower lash line. What are we going to do? We're going to take our smoky palette once more. So I'm just going to take the nudie shade right here. And I'm going to take that on a little fluffy brush and just run that underneath the lower lash line. Sorry for not being zoomed in. You guys want me to zoom you in? All right, I'll freaking do it. Then I'm gonna take the color Smog by Urban Decay. This is one of their 24/7 glide-on pencils. And I'm going to tightline, or not tightline, fuck. Lower lash line. And then I'm going to basically blend that out. So we have a nice sultry lower lash line. Gonna make you look all sexy. Then I'm gonna be taking Dust again on this little just browsing, like flat top, little skinny brush. This is great. Oh, and this is by MOTD, by the way, and this is great for hugging the lower lash line, getting right up in there. Now I'm just gonna hit my bottom lashes with a little bit of mascara, and then we're gonna move on to the lips. Be right back. Okay, so I'm gonna be lining my lips with Naked by Urban Decay. It's a 24 whatever, super creamy. And I'm just gonna line my lips. I wanna do 2 lip colors because I feel like this eye is super universal and goes good with a lot of different lip shades. So I want to show y'all. Then I'm gonna go in with a liquid lipstick by Pixie, and this is called Bare Beauty. It's a beautiful nude, so I'm just going to apply that. These smell really good. I've never used these before. So here's your option number 1 with the nude lip. I'm trying to, like, you know, pose it, make it look cute. So now I'm going to switch it up, and I'm going to be using like a really bright orangey red. And I just feel like an orangey bright red looks so good with a dark brown smoky eye. I don't know what it is, I just like the combo. So I'm going to use the, what is this, a NYX. Oh my god, it's one of those super long name ones. I always choose this, but I hate saying it. So this is called Knock 'em Red, and it's the slide on, glide on, stay on, that one. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove the nude and go ahead and try this combo. This is the Melted Matte Liquefied Matte Longwear Lipstick by Too Faced in the shade Sweet and Sour. And here we are with the second lip. I'm absolutely obsessed. I didn't even think I was gonna like it this much. And I love it. Thank you so much for joining me and sitting through this long ass video and getting ready with me. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in my next video, and I hope you guys have the best day ever, whatever time it is for you. Just enjoy this day and make it brand new, because it is new and you only get one chance to make it the best day ever. Okay, bye.